What is your name? My name is Maria Elena. What is your surname? My surname is Escobar Herrera. Do you have naked? No. What do you do? I am a student. Where you work? Ella was at a mini market. Do you leave your home? I am like my home. I am like what you do. Where do you live? Home. Aren't you Harry single? Yes, fresh union. Do you have boyfriend or girlfriend? I am no. What is your father? Yes, father is Carlos. Do you have any children? Yes, I am uno children. Where are you, Hannah? This is Juan. What my brother and sister do you have? Have sister. Where is your birthday? My birthday is 16 of April. Where is you born? I was born in Palmira. Where are you from? I am from Palmira. Do you live in a house or an apartment? I live in a house. What is your email? Mail is Maria Elena 1622. What is you do? You free team? You are my free team today. What are you having? Hobby? My hobby are destroy.